Hello there, good people, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do something great. I know you all want to learn how to make good melodies, and today I have a perfect solution for you. Do you know that you can make nice sounding melodies with a plugin called Scalar? Dang, let's open FL Studio 20.6. We see what's going to happen now. Yeah. Okay, we are just going to load a plugin called Scalar. Yeah, a plugin. Yeah, in the channel rack. Yeah, we look for Scalar. Okay, it's right here. We wait for it to load. Wham, then it's done. Okay, you wanna come, you wanna drag it up that then you wanna. Yeah, it's not licensed. It's still a demo version. I'm yet to license it yet. Okay, so let's make the melodies. Okay, I choose a scale. After picking the scale, you see some chords down there. Okay, you see them chords there. Yeah, these are the chords I'm talking about. Okay, you start picking the ones that sound good to you. You don't need any music theory for this. You drag that one there, that one there. Okay, it's a game of the ears. You have to train your ears to filter out what is bad and what is not good. That's literally the same. Fuck. Okay, yeah. After doing that, then yeah, you listen to it. If it sounds nice, you can continue with let's fuck man. Okay, now it sounds much better. Let me listen to it first. Okay, yeah, let me load FL keys for a better listening experience. Drag that from there to there. So it will be something like this, you know. So what you wanna do, you wanna increase that to the end. 5 is the last number. So what you wanna do is just do that and drag all what's this up to the end, just like that. And that's how you create melodies. Okay, and that's just the simple way of making melodies with Scalar. There's a lot of ways you can make melodies, but according to me, this is absolutely the easiest way to make melodies with Scalar. And if you like the video, go ahead and subscribe, like, and share with your friends, of course. Yeah, they also know how to make the melodies the easy way. Dang, this is fire. Yeah. Nigga, tell us so cool with your lame. Shut up with your lame. I don't know what to do, nigga. Yeah, subscribe to my channel, nigga. Yeah, it's gonna be fire. It's gonna be fire. Dang, nigga. Ooh.